that I am in Banana Highland. I know say you know say I dey for New Banana Highland, but now which estate I dey? Make I shock you. We dey for Tom Estate. Hey, the name sexy. Tom Estate. Aye, you know what? This estate no be 6 million. Now 10 million. Because e first major road. After the time you say me you come buy 6 million since you dey do guy. Now Tom Estate is 10 million. You hear me so? 10 million naira. So make you quickly call me on 0903429651. Make you come collect your own plot. If you want collect plot for Tom Estate, you know why Tom Estate na 10 million? Because it dey for major road. You see where this cars park? Now the major road for this New Banana Highland. That are you getting me? They are already fixing the gutter and the main road. They are tying everything. And this land, this estate is directly opposite the major road. So here, not be even where you go live. Now strictly for business. You go use and build plaza, schools, do so many things here. You use and build malls. Are you getting me? And then you go collect better return on investment for your land. You dey understand me? So if I say you know they hear me. Tom Estate, they sweet my body. I feel like to dance. As you see, I saw they dance, and they dance, and they dance. Because this shit don't sweet me. It dey sweet me. So quickly call me. The number is 0903429651 to collect your plot. See now, the land is well secured. The community guys, everybody is settled. This is a genuine land. It's tested, it's trusted. Everything I've been taken care of, I've been paid by Mercy Homes and Properties. Visit us at our office at number 181 at Port-Harcourt Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Remember, say Tom Estate na 10 million naira, but I can give you Joseph Estate for 6 million. But if you not call me quick, you go enter 7 or 10 million. You know why the money they increase like that? People they Russian. People they Russian. Every minute you see this phone where they my hand. Every minute they ring and na calls and na plot of land. Nine then they collect. Nine then they call for. And nine they give them. And they send their documents. Even if na USA you dey, Canada, anywhere where you dey, UK, I go just send your property, can't give you for there. So all you need to do now to call me. Mama, good news, they wait for you. And the number to call again is 0903429651. And they wait for you.